To create a new profile in your structured web database, simply go to the Customer Center Setup and then choose the profile link in the blue box on the left-hand side of the screen. This will load a list of all the current profiles you have in your system. To create a new profile, simply select the New Profile button. It will ask you which type of field you want the profile to be, and your choices are single selection with a drop-down box, single selection with a radio button, multiple selection box, multiple selection with a checkbox, a date, a text field, or a number. For this example, the field I'm going to create is number of employees, so I'm going to choose number. My field name is the name of my field, so I'm going to say number of employees. Example text, by default, it lets the user know that it's a number. And your public display name, that's if you're going to be using this field on a form. So when the users see this, they see that it's in a form of question. I'm not using it on a form, so I'm just going to rename it number of employees. Additional permissions and requirements. So you can make this profile required on account creation or a contact creation. You can make it required or optional, or you can just make it optional for use in the Profile tab only. It will also ask you that the record type for this profile is either for contacts only, accounts only, or accounts only for editing contacts listed under an account directly from the account screen. And then you can choose if you want to allow security groups to view and edit this profile, or you can block certain security groups, and those security groups would get pulled from the Account Center. When you're finished, select the Save button. That refreshes the page. If we scroll down to the bottom of the screen, you'll notice number of employees has now been created. Now you can create as many profiles as you like. You can also delete existing profiles by placing a check in the box next to the name of the profile and selecting the Delete button. Keep this in mind that if the profile has been filled out for a contact or account, you will delete that information. You can also sort this information as well by selecting the Sort Order button, and you can actually place profiles into different folders for organizational purposes. So if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that there's a general folder. You can create as many folders as you like and choose the Edit button and choose New Folder. Give the folder a name, so I will say Account Profiles, and this will allow me to separate my contact profiles from my account profiles. I'll choose Save. This will create the folder for me. I can return back to my profile list, and then I can move all profiles that are just on the account level into that folder by simply putting a checkbox in the right-hand column, selecting the Move button, and then choosing which folder I want to move them into.